trigonometry. Before that, we'll just see a few concepts. So this is this revision for you all. So we'll see trigonometric ratios. Now in this case, suppose this is, and trigonometric ratios are applicable to a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degree and angle C we're taking it as theta. So we're going to find trigonometric ratios for angle of theta. Okay, that's angle C. So by formulas, okay, what do we know? Sine is equals to, see now this is known as the, now if this is theta, this is the opposite side and this is the adjacent, bang opposite, and this is the hypotenuse, the left one is adjacent. ये बच गया है वो इसको adjacent कहा जाता है. Bang opposite मतलब opposite side. This already we know is the hypotenuse, which is opposite to the 90 degree angle, and the side which is left is called as adjacent. For everything it will be different. Okay, it's not the same. For every angle it will be different. That's what I meant. Okay, now sine theta. Sine theta is equals to opposite side, I'm writing only half, opposite side upon hypotenuse. That is nothing but, now theta ko opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So this is your formula and this is your what we are going to apply. So this is the application. Similarly, now cos theta is adjacent side upon the hypotenuse. Okay, now adjacent side for theta is BC. So BC and hypotenuse is only one, AC. So that is your hypotenuse. Now tan can be done in two ways. One it is, okay, one is sine theta upon cos theta. Okay, that's the formula that you will see further. But here it becomes opposite side upon adjacent side. Okay, so theta is opposite upon adjacent, that is AB upon BC. So this is one of the formulas. This is very important. This will be using, now this we'll be using in the further things for you. Okay, means further sum that is there for you. Okay, there are very few type of sums in this, but formulas become very, very important. Okay, now some relations that are new to you but you will be learning is, okay, here I think we've already done it, but yeah, we can just revise it again. So 1 upon sine theta is equals to cosec theta. This means that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. When I apply it over here, you all will understand, or better understanding. Therefore, it can also be written as, when we multiply sine theta into cosec theta, we get 1. So these are formulas that you need to remember. Okay, now we have, so this is cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. Then sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. So remember, cos theta, if in case you want to find sec theta, just do cos theta ka reciprocal, that is hypotenuse upon adjacent. Only these two formulas you need to remember actually. Okay, with the help of that, the rest of the trigonometric ratios will be possible for you to find out. Okay, then sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta, that is, we can also write it as sec theta into cos theta is equals to 1. This is some relation that you need to remember that you will be using further, so that's why it's very important for us to do it. And last but not least, cot theta is equals to 1 upon tan theta. Therefore, cot theta into tan theta is equals to 1. These are some relations that you need to remember. Also these. Okay, so this is for this type, direct application. Okay, Pythagoras theorem if we apply. I'll tell you further when we're going to apply Pythagoras theorem how our things are going to look. Okay, now let's try applying these. Okay, so this is something again you have done last year. We have to remember the trigonometric ratio or the sine value for all the things, then you'll be able to fill this. Normally you do, you make this chart just before, like as soon as you get your तो क्वेश्चन पेपर बना के साइन पीछे रख देना चाहिए. Okay, so that's one thing that my sir taught me. So you all can also do that. I take permission from my examiner and do it. Okay, so let's do further. So sine is something that you need to remember. एक बार ये by heart हुआ, बाकी सब I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so let's see now. Sine of 0 degree is 0. Sine of 30 is 1 by 2. Sine of 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sine of 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine of 90 is 1. Okay, so sine you remember by heart. After that what you start doing is write ulta. Okay, तो अभी जब sine के लिए तो you've got by heart. Okay, start writing ulta for cos. So cos of 0 is 1, cos of 30 is root 3 by 2, then cos of, see ulta, 1, 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0. So these are for your cos values. It's so easy. Okay, now let's try tan. 0 upon 1 is 0, 1 upon 2 and root 3 upon 2. So it becomes 1 upon root 3. What am I talking over here? So tan theta, there is one more formula that is there for tan theta. Tan theta is equals to sin theta. Very important. This is, it will be coming in a, you will be using it every now and then. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta. So 0 upon 1 is 0. 1 upon root 2. So here I'll just calculate and show for tan 30. Okay, for tan 30 degrees. This is my rough work. Okay, so ignore it. Tan 30. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 upon 2 divided by root 3 upon 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 1 upon root 3. So this you got 1 upon root 3. This ones are, so it will be 1. Then 2 and 2 it get cancelled. Root 3. 1 upon 0, anything. When denominator is in the 0, the number is not defined. So similarly, so you saw how we calculated tan. That is sine upon cos. Okay. Now cosec. Cosec is a reciprocal of sine. So 0 upon 0, anything upon 0 is not defined. So cosec is not defined. Reciprocal. 1 upon 2 का reciprocal is 2 upon 1 or 2. 1 upon root 2 का reciprocal is root 2. Root 3 upon 2 is 2 upon root 3. And 1 का reciprocal is 1. So this is how it works. Okay. Now sec is the reciprocal of 1 का reciprocal is 1. 2 upon root 3. Okay, correct? You have to just do the reciprocal. Then it is root 2. Then it is 2. 0 upon 0 is not defined. Okay, I hope you are understanding this. So cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. And now cot is the reciprocal of tan. 0 upon 0 is not defined. 1 upon root 3 is root 3. 1 का reciprocal is 1. Root 3 का reciprocal is 1 upon root 3. And here it is not defined. So here also, so here it will be 0. Okay, so like that you will be able to do. I'm going a little faster because I learned the 10th grade, and this all is the basic that must have already finished. Now there are 3 trigonometric identities which I'm directly going to write, which you're going to be using directly. Okay, very important ones. This also you'll have used last year. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Here pairing is different now. Here the relation was between sine and cosec. Now it is sine and cos. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Then we have 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. And last but not the least, 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. So these are some relations that are there that are known as the identities, which we will be using now for the further sums. So you have to keep this in mind. Now I'll just do a quick revision of Pythagoras theorem, okay, because we will be needing it. Pythagoras theorem is applicable on right angle triangle. Suppose this is a triangle A, B, C is the right angle, angle B is 90 degree, AC is the hypotenuse as we saw over here. So applicable will be AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This you all have already done for all the grades. I'm just revising. Okay. So in short, it is hypotenuse square is equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. I hope you all will. So now let's start with the sums. First we'll do the example sums and then we'll move on to the practice set. So let's see. Now example 1. Okay, 2 methods are there. I will be doing both the methods for you. If sine theta is equals to 20 upon 29, then find the value of cos theta. It's a very easy one. Okay, it's a very easy one. Just adjusting myself, sorry. So first the method 1. We will do method 1. Example 1, page 128. So if sine theta given, 2 methods of doing, I'll do one method here for the first time using enough page so that you'll understand. Sine theta is equals to 20 upon 29. Okay. What do we have to find? We have to find only cos theta. Now, sine theta, cos theta, there is a direct relation. Okay. As I told you, this identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So, we are going to be using the identity directly. Okay. So we say by formula sine square, so this is method 1, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now substitute the value. Sine square theta is given as 20 upon 29. See, sine square it is, so this will also become square, plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now numbers are here, keeping cos square theta here only. Freeze cos square theta, take the number on this side, 1 minus 20 square is 400 upon 29 square is 841. Okay, you need to by heart squares till 30. It's very useful for you. Therefore, cos square theta is equals to, take LCM, 841 minus 400 upon 841. Therefore, cos square theta is equal to minus becomes 441 upon 841. Therefore, cos theta is equals to under root 441 upon 841. Now, 441 is the square of 21. So, cos theta is equals to 21. 841 is 29. Therefore, answer cos theta is equals to 21 upon 29. Now, for your practice sake, what you can do, you can find out then just practice ke liye. If I say cosec theta, what will be cosec theta? Take a reciprocal. So, it will be 29 upon 20. Then if I say sec theta will be 29 upon 21. ऐसे ही you can find cot theta, tan theta just for practice. Okay. So you'll get a hang of what we are doing, what not. Okay. So this was method 1. Now we'll do method 2. Now in this we take a constant k. Okay. So we'll say given sine theta is equals to 20 upon 29. Okay. Find cos theta. I'm doing everything is equals to how much? So let k be a constant. By formula, sine theta is equals to opposite upon hypotenuse, that is equals to 20k upon 29k. Okay, why we are taking k? Because you cannot take the number directly. This is not means, suppose this is theta, this is A, this is B, this is C. So theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, 20k upon 29k. So this is not 20. Okay, it is some multiple of 20. Okay, let's see. Let's continue. Okay, so this k is a constant. So let's continue. So this is opposite upon adjacent. Do we know BC? We do not know BC. This is a right angle triangle. So in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, okay, as I discussed Pythagoras theorem with you, okay, we discussed Pythagoras theorem already, so it will be AC square is equals to, now this is opposite AB upon AC, that's why we named the triangle. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So we'll find BC, okay. Now AC square is 29k, the whole square is equals to 20k the whole square plus BC square. Same thing now. 29 is 841k square is equals to 400k square plus BC square. So it's the same thing, whichever you all feel easy. इसमें LCM वगैरह you are finding it difficult, so do this method, no problem. Okay, therefore 841k square minus 400k square is equals to BC square. Therefore, that is 441k square is equals to BC square. But remember to take k, okay? Therefore, under root 441k square is equals to BC, taking the square root. Therefore, that is equals to 21k, that is equals to BC. So, BC is 21. Therefore, cos theta is equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Write the formula. But adjacent is BC upon AC. BC we found out to be 21k. AC is nothing but 29k. K and K gets cancelled. 21 upon 29. Therefore, cos theta is equals to 21 upon 29. That is your answer. Again, I told you, you can practice for the remaining trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now, let's do example 2. Okay. So, example 2 we have if sec theta. Now, sec theta is given directly. Let's see. Example 2. Given sec theta is equals to 25 upon 7, and I'll do both the methods for this one also. Find, what do we have to find? Tan theta. See, this is a direct sum, need not be ki sub direct I, okay? Means here we are using the identity directly. So, method 1, okay? So, identity by identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. This you need to by heart. So, one way of by hearting is keep writing it. Means the more you use it in your sum, the better. By formula, 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Therefore, 1 plus tan square theta is equals to 25 upon 7 the whole square. Therefore, 1 minus 25 is 625 upon 49, that is equals to tan square theta, or tan square theta I'm taking it, wait 1 minute, sorry, this calculation mistake, because if I take tan square theta this side it will become minus. So what I'll do is 1 I'll keep tan square theta, I'll keep it here because it is positive. Tan square theta is equal to as it is, because it will become negative, so either positive ke liye rakhte hai. Then 625 upon 49 plus 1 becomes minus 1, better. So therefore, tan square theta is equals to 625 LCM minus 49 upon 49. So when you minus, what do we get? Tan square theta is equals to 576 upon 49. Tan square है तो tan नहीं निकले. Tan theta is equals to under root 576 upon 49. That's why you should know by heart. Okay. So this is 576 is 24. Okay. So therefore tan theta is equals to 24 under root 49 is nothing but 7. So it is 24 upon 7. Okay, so that it goes in your head. I'll do method 2 also for you. So let me do method 2 for the same sum. So say let k be a constant. Okay, let k be a constant. What is given? Sec theta is equals to, what is given as 25 upon 7. 25k upon 7k. We'll write it like that. Okay. Therefore, suppose if this is your triangle. In this case, you'll have to draw a triangle. If you do the same way I'm doing, is okay. No problem with the presentation. A, B, C. And suppose this is theta. Now, by formula, we know sec theta is equals to reciprocal of, what is sec theta? Sec theta is a reciprocal of cos. So, if cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, sec theta will be hypotenuse upon adjacent side. So, it will be hypotenuse upon the adjacent side. So, hypotenuse is AC upon the adjacent side, AC upon BC. Therefore, that is equals to hypotenuse is 25k upon 7k. Now, in this case, what we do? Therefore, now next, by Pythagoras Theorem, what do we do by Pythagoras Theorem? We apply it. Therefore, that is equals to AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, AC is 25k. The whole square is equals to, I don't know, AB square. BC is 7k the whole square. Therefore, that is 625k square is equals to AB square plus 49k square. Therefore, that is equals to 625k square minus 49k square is equals to AB square. Therefore, that is equals to 576k square is equals to AB square. Therefore, that is equals to under root 576k is equals to AB. Therefore, now this becomes 24k is equals to AB. Now, by formula, what do we need to find? Tan. Therefore, tan theta is nothing but opposite upon adjacent. Opposite is AB upon adjacent is BC. Opposite became so. One second. Let me see. So here hypotenuse we have AC to be 25k. Then AB we found out to be 24k and this is 7k. Correct. So AB is 24k upon 7k, kk minus, therefore 24 by 7. Therefore answer tan theta is equals to 24 by 7. See, get the same answer, just the method is different. I also like sticking to Pythagoras theorem as long as you all stick to your basics and know your this right. Okay. Now we now do example 3. We'll directly go to practice set 6.1. We'll do the second sum. First sum I will keep for later in case you'll have a problem with it, but I don't think so you should have. I'll directly move on to tan. Okay. Second sum. 6.1 the second sum. I'm only going to use one of the methods so that I do faster. Given tan theta is equals to 3 upon 4. Okay. Find, very easy, it will be easy for you to understand now. Find first sec theta and second cos theta. Okay, so we are going to do the Pythagoras Theorem method 2. So let k be a constant. Therefore, tan theta is equals to 3k upon 4k. But by formula, tan theta is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side, that is 3k upon 4k is equals to, let's see now, if A, B, C is your triangle, this is theta, then your opposite side will be AB and your adjacent side will be BC. So opposite side is 3k, adjacent side is 4k. We have to find AC. Therefore, in triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we get AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Easy for you all to understand. Therefore, that is equals to 3k square plus 4k square. Therefore, AC square is equals to 9k square plus 16k square. Therefore, AC square is equals to 25k square. Therefore, AC is equals to under root 25k square. Therefore, AC is equals to 5k. So, we found AC to be 5k. Now, they are asking us sec theta. Sec theta is nothing but what by formula it is. Okay, it is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Okay, so hypotenuse is nothing but 5k, adjacent is 4k. Cancel, cancel, that is 5 upon 4. So therefore your sec theta is equals to 5 upon 4. Now what have they asked further? They are asking us cosec theta. I don't have place over here. So yes, cos theta is nothing but 1 upon sec theta, that is reciprocal 4 upon 5. Okay, so this is how you do your these sums. Okay, they're very easy and very direct. Okay, let's move on to your third sum now. Okay, third sum. Let me see, cot is given. Okay, so if cot theta is equals to 40 upon 9, now I'll do it by first method, just like the running. There's no particular thing, I'm just wanting you all to get used to it. Find, what have they said? Cosec theta, and they're asking us sin theta. Easy, no problem at all. So by identities we know 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec theta. This is method 1. 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec theta. So we know by formula 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Therefore, 1 plus 40 upon 9 the whole square is equals to cosec square theta. Therefore, 1 plus 1600 upon 9 is 81 is equals to cosec square theta. Therefore, LCM 81 plus 1600 upon 81 is equals to cosec square theta. Therefore, 1681 upon 81 is equals to cosec square theta. Okay, so you can either use LCM to find out, okay, for this. So therefore, under root 1681 upon 81 is equals to cosec theta. So under root we have taken, so you'll be able to calculate. Either take LCM on the right hand side, or I already know the answer. 41 upon 9 is equals to cosec theta. Therefore, cosec theta is equals to 41 upon 9. And sin theta is equals to 1 upon cosec theta, means reciprocal. Therefore, sin theta is equals to 9 upon 41. Okay, so these are some things you can remember. Okay, so I'm hoping that you'll do the sum that is remaining, and I'll meet you in the next part.
I hope you've all enjoyed this part of the chapter series just as you would enjoy your favorite book with a hot cup of tea. So, ECOT, that is everyone's cup of tea, will bring to you many more such chapter series along with detailed explanation and solution of the exercises that are there in your textbook. We wish to bring to you this and more at zero cost so that the hardest chapters become your cup of tea. So, help us by clicking on this button. Get notified about our upcoming chapter series. Also, share it to help us define education through equality. Do message us any doubts that you have on our Instagram handle, everyone's cup of tea, and we promise to answer them. Thank you and keep sipping. Bye.